Hey guys, we're out at the office on the square in Lawrenceville. I wanted to see how the roof is doing today with the rain. It's been raining all day, and we've got the roof on now. So you can see this is the temporary scupper, and the water falls down into the fountain. And the fountain's really filled up nicely. And it's not doing too bad. So the water is it's going to stay in here, and then it's going to flow around underneath the bridge. And you can start to see that. It's really pretty neat. And then once the water comes over here, it will flow into the Scarpa fountain and then out the side wall. Now what's happening right now is we've got a pipe that's going to connect to a pump, and that's where all the water's flowing out, which is kind of fine. Yeah, look at this. We've got water really flowing. This right here might be where the water's entering the office. We need to cap that. That's exactly what it is. So we've had some water entering. Yeah, look at that. So we've had some water coming on the inside of the building, and that's what's happening. Tremendous amount of water flowing out these two pipes and working around. Should be really pretty neat walking over this bridge. I was worried the Scarpa fountain, the water wasn't going to flow off, but it's actually, yeah, see, look, the fountain itself is not quite sitting flat, but it's not breaching this section, but it is flowing over here. So it's kind of working. We've got to gonna have to caulk this. It's going underneath. So we'll have to fill all that so that it can flow into this last section. So right now the water is kind of funneling down. So we got kind of a lip edge. So it kind of gets up on that top level a little bit. It's kind of high right here. Okay, that's interesting.